but then also as Caribbeans, then also of people of color, then also of people that appreciate people of color and cultural vibe. There is no jerk, there is no reggae without Jamaica, as it is today. Okay, arguably. Of course everything goes back to the motherland, we know that, so that's not the point. The point is of Jerk, the home of reggae music. You're at the home of reggae music here. So naturally, ladies and gentlemen, to kick off and to speak with our crowd today officially, ladies and gentlemen, the Consul General of Jamaica, the Honorable Alcian Roach, the hardest working Consul General to come and welcome the crowd today. Come along, CG. I'll hold it for you. Don't you know that? I like to take care of my CG. I'm telling you, sometimes we need to clone her, and she has other. But we're glad that she made it here with us today. All right. So, Consul General, you did vote for your restaurant, right? You write it down already. All right, but we can't tell them. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our Consul General.
First, let me put my spectacles on first.
Sorry.
You didn't share my protocol very right. I'm just space for the podium.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I voted for what I'm not going to say which one. You're trying to trick me. So I think everyone probably have their favorite after tasting the delicious. I think everything was delicious. That's only one, I think. So I voted for my favorite, and all I need to know is where should I place?
I'll take it. Felicia!
And let me read it.
So that Marcia, can you take the Consul General vote, please? Yeah, I don't want to say fixed. We'll get it from you.
I didn't get one.
So in the meantime, I'm going to ask someone that I trust immensely.
Okay, this pack will
To hold it. All right. Good afternoon, everyone.
Excuse me.
It seems like you guys haven't eaten anything yet. Go on here, so.
Good afternoon.
It seems as though you guys haven't had a bite to eat yet. I'm going to say that one more time. Look, see, you have your food in. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Oh, that's better. All right, so my dear friend, Miss Pat, you know, this is my second event for the, see Miss Pat, no, it's for the morning, and I have another one in Westchester in about 3 hours, but when Miss Pat calls, you know what to do. You make adjustment and you come, right? And so I am here to support the VP family. Of course, Miss Angela Yee, I'm paying homage to her. I don't think she's here yet.
She's here.
Is she here? Okay, fantastic. And to all the fantastic celebrity chefs in the building, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Ladies and gentlemen, all things lovers of good food, good Jamaican food, again, good afternoon. Of course, I'm absolutely thrilled to join Miss Pat and the VP family here today. On this, the 10th, ladies and gentlemen, 10th, give them a round of applause. The 10th official launch of the Jamaican Jerk Festival, which is being celebrated under the theme, A Taste of Jerk. After 2 long years, I don't know about you, but I know that I'm over this COVID thing. I am absolutely over this COVID thing. After 2 long years, we are back.
That's why we did it.
Of course, Of course, Miss Pat and Richard will give you the lowdown on which day. I believe it's July 30th.
Your college.
No, from your college. When was it? 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, Miss Pat received the presidential Medal of Honor from York College.
Yeah, York College is in the house. Big up York College is watching and we're talking about our community, right? Naisha was around somewhere. I acknowledge her.
Miss Pat, as we Jamaicans say, big up yourself. As we are also celebrating Caribbean Heritage Month, it also gives me a great pleasure to commend our extraordinary Caribbean nationals who continue to excel in reaffirming our strong legacy of excellence as a people driven by a sense of purpose, and not only purpose, brilliance. On that note, let me also add that there is nothing more empowering than families and friends coming together to reinforce the best of our culture. Music, reggae music, food, Jamaican food, especially jerk. Thank you so much, and please enjoy.
Thank you very much, Council General, Alison Road General. We're going to give her a nice round of applause in that Of course, this is Miss Pat House, and we can't let her come to Miss Pat House and not have her say a few words.
Well, first of all, I'd like to thank you all for being out here and to celebrate the tasting of the Jamaican jerk chicken. We have the best jerk chicken in the world. You know that. Our music and our food is the best, together with our art. So thank you all. Spread the word to all your friends. And let's have a wonderful day on the 31st of July. Hope to see you all. Thank you.
July 30th. And now, if you don't have, just give to. So here's what I was saying, right? Just vote on one restaurant, and she's going to tell me who the winner is. All right, you know who you want to vote on, or you don't want to vote on? You just eat. All right, so then you can. Don't worry about it. So here's what so from 12 to 3 is the cultural stage. We have cultural performers. But
Excuse me.
two of the people that will be performing outside today are the Asa A drummers, right? They're cultural performers, and Nige Boy. Nige Boy is local, and I think he's visually impaired, and he has an awesome voice. So he'll be performing outside at about 4 o'clock.